None. Former First Lady of Zambia, Maureen Mnangagwa, has left us at the age of 61. President Hakainde Hichilema recently visited the Mnangagwa family funeral home in Roma Park to extend his heartfelt condolences. In his words, President Hichilema expressed deep sorrow, emphasizing Maureen Mnangagwa's unwavering dedication to public service and social justice. A lawyer by profession, she was also a founding member of the Organization of African First Ladies Against HIV/AIDS, advocating tirelessly for community development and public health. President Hichilema urged the family to seek comfort in their faith during this challenging time and assured them of continued support, especially for the children who have now lost both parents. As we remember Maureen Mnangagwa, let us unite in honoring her commitment to making Zambia a better place. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Hakainde Hichilema, President of the Republic of Zambia.